A cyclist was injured after being hit by a CNG gas vehicle in Bridge Chowmuhani area of Bishalgarh. It is learned that a CNG gas vehicle with number TR01AN1924 was speeding towards Agartala when it hit the cyclist Babul Nak at Bishalgarh Bridge Chowmuhani area. A cyclist Babul Nak was injured after being hit by a CNG gas vehicle in Bridge Chowmuhani area of Bishalgarh. It is learned that a CNG gas vehicle with number TR01AN1924 was speeding towards Agartala when it hit the cyclist Babul Nak at Bishalgarh Bridge Chowmuhani area. Babul Nak was seriously injured. Babul Nak's right hand was broken by the impact of the car and other parts of his body were injured. After receiving information about the incident, Bishalgarh Fire Brigade personnel rescued the injured Babul Nak from the spot and took him to Bishalgarh Sub-District Hospital. The doctor on duty at the hospital referred Babul Nak to GB Hospital for better treatment after initial treatment. Meanwhile, Bishalgarh police arrested the driver with the CNG gas car. An employee of the fire brigade said that the condition of the injured Babul Nak is critical.
Bishalgarh Chowmuhaniর মধ্যে ব্রিজের উপরে একটা CNG ট্রাক গাড়িয়ে জাঙ্গালিয়া মনো বাড়ি মারছে। হ্যাঁ বাইসাইকেল আসছিল, সাংঘাতিক ইঞ্জুরি, মনে কোমরে প্রচণ্ড ব্যথা পাইছে, চুট লাগছে, হাতেও ভাঙছে টাঙছে, সাংঘাতিক প্রচণ্ড ব্লিডিং হয়েছে। আমরা বিশালগড় হসপিটালে পৌঁছে দিলাম।
মানে অবস্থা কীরকম?
খুব সিরিয়াস।
নামটাম পাওয়া গেছে?
বাবুল নাগ, বয়স আনুমানিক 65 হবে।
Reported by Ashish from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.